If you need to build a professional org chart fast, Lucidchart is one of the easiest tools to use. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use Lucidchart for an organizational chart, step by step, from creating a new document to customizing the layout, importing employee data, and saving or sharing your final chart. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Lucidchart account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for the plus new button. This is where you start a fresh project. Click it and then choose Create from Template. Lucidchart gives you a lot of ready-made options, but for this tutorial, we want an org chart template. So type org chart into the search bar and select the one that fits your needs. Starting with a template is a huge time saver because it already gives you the basic structure for a company hierarchy. Instead of building everything from scratch, you can immediately begin editing names, titles, and team structure. That makes Lucidchart a great choice for HR teams, managers, business owners, and anyone who needs to visualize reporting lines. Once your org chart template opens, the next step is to customize it. Click on the chart itself so you can access the editing options. On the right-hand panel, you'll see controls for layout and spacing. This is where you can make the chart more readable, especially if your organization has multiple departments or a larger team structure. Adjust the spacing if the chart looks crowded, or open it up if you want more room between people and teams. You can also show or hide fields depending on what information you want to display. For example, you might want to show job titles, email addresses, or department names. If your chart is for internal use, adding more detail can be helpful. If it's for a presentation or a public-facing document, you may want to keep it cleaner and simpler. Now let's add the actual people in your organization. Click on a box in the org chart and enter employee names and job titles. You can continue building the structure using connectors or the plus icon, which helps you create reporting relationships between managers and team members. This is the key part of the chart because it shows who reports to whom and how the organization is structured. If you want to make the chart easier to understand visually, use colors or styles to separate different teams or departments. For example, you could give leadership one color, operations another, and marketing another. That small design choice can make a big difference when someone is trying to scan the chart quickly. Now, if you already have employee information in a spreadsheet, Lucidchart makes that even easier. On the left panel, click Import Data, then choose Org Chart. From there, upload your CSV, Excel, or Google Sheets file. This is especially useful for larger companies because you can generate the chart much faster than entering everything manually. After uploading the file, Lucidchart will ask you to map the columns. This means you'll match your spreadsheet fields to the correct org chart fields, like name, title, manager, or department. Take a moment to make sure everything lines up correctly before finishing the import. Once that's done, Lucidchart will automatically build the organizational chart for you. At this point, you can review the layout and make any final edits. Add missing names, adjust spacing, or clean up the design if needed. Because Lucidchart automatically saves your work, you don't have to worry about losing progress as you go. When you're happy with the final result, you can share the chart with others by clicking Share. This is great for collaboration, especially if you need feedback from team leads, HR, or management. You can also export a copy to your computer by going to File, then Download As, and choosing the format you want. And that's how to use Lucidchart for an organizational chart. You now know how to create a new document, choose an org chart template, customize the design, import data, and save or share your finished chart. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.